Welcome to the Gallon Kitchen. We're gonna make some grape nut ice cream for the first time. Let's go. So we have 6 eggs, what we separate, put in our mixer. Due to the fact that I'm lazy, I never want to use the hand mixer, so I'm gonna use my brand new mixer what my husband get me. Yeah. Half a cup of white sugar and a third of brown sugar. You're gonna make that mix. You have to make sure that it's nice and fluff. Right now, you grab your saucepan, put some water in it, jack up the heat. Grab a next mixing bowl. Add 3 cups of whipping cream or heavy cream, either one you have. So you see when the cream warm now, you're gonna slowly add it to your custard over here. I'm gonna turn this pan 1, and then I'm gonna add it in. See it there? Slowly. Let's put little by little till it combine. Right now, we're gonna put the custard right on the stove. And we're gonna mix this till this thick. You see, if you turn your back pan, this a custard there, you salt like some girl life. So now we take it off of the saucepan, and now we're gonna add some more cream to it and then mix it in. Right now, I'm gonna make this cool down in the fridge if I have space. Now that it cool, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm gonna add some rose and almond water, 2 teaspoons of that too. I want it a little bit sweet, so I'm gonna add some condensed milk. I can tell you really quick how my husband good. So I'm no for the longest time I crave for some grape nut ice cream, and due to the fact that Jamaica so expensive to go right now, just to go get some ice cream, yeah, it's a problem. So here what? It didn't matter what price this was, he ordered it and it came and he surprised me with it. So now I'm making my favorite ice cream. So here what? We're gonna put a cup and a half of grape nut in a yaso now. Make a show on the greatness. After doing everything, you put in our loaf pan, whether you want to put it in a plastic container, anything. Yeah. You're going to put it in the fridge and make it go on cool overnight, freeze, make it do its thing. If you want to have the ice cream like this, you can have it like this, but I'm going to make it on popsicle. Peel off the paper. I'm going to drop pieces right in the blender. So I'm going to add local cream. We're going to pulse this. So I'm going to blend up the rest of the ice cream, because I realize that all of the grape nut then fall to the bottom. But this is how it's going to be. I'm going to put it in the fridge. Watch popsicle. So the popsicle there. Open it, enjoy this. And I love you. Later. Bye.